Good morning, guys. I'm happy that you're here to listen to another story today. We have a new series called Exploring the Natural World of Birds. So these are the 5 books in our series. We're going to do the first one today called The Barn Owls. And owls are a type of bird. I want you to think about what you already know about owls. So I also want to show you the back cover kind of connects with the front. So this book was written by Tony Johnston and illustrated by Deborah Cogan Ray. So let's read to find out why this bird is called the barn owl. The barn owls. The barn has stood in the wheat field 100 years at least. Owls have slept there all day long and dozed in the scent of wheat. So are you wondering why the owls sleep all day? They're nocturnal, which means they usually are awake in the night. Sometimes by day, an owl awakens to a shadow or nothing at all and leaves the barn through a veil of light. So sometimes they wake up during the day. I wonder why that happens. And glides to the top of an oak and calls. Sometimes nothing answers. Sometimes something does. Sometimes by day an owl goes floating away, away to where wheat and sky are one. Then it floats back to the barn. By night, one by one, stars come out and blink. One by one, owls wake up and blink. So, what are the 2 things that blink? So, one meaning of blink is like we blink. And how do stars blink at night? What do you guys think? So they shine unsteadily. They almost look like lights going on and off quickly. And they hunt for mice while moons swell and shrink. Oh. Owls have hunted in this place. Mice have hidden in this wheat 100 years at least. So, where owls hunted, spiders spun to hold the barn to earth. Where owls hunted, long snakes sunned and split their skins like chaff and left, and bees hummed their hymn of wheat. Eggs have hatched in the loft of the barn, one by one, white and warm. Old owls watching new owls born in the redwood barn in the whisper of wheat. To grow up and sleep and wake and blink. And hunt for mice as they always have 100 years at least. There's the last picture. So the author ends this book by writing 100 years at least. What does at least tell you? 100 years at least. Think about that for a second. Okay, I hope you enjoyed the story. Hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and we'll see you later.